There is a beautiful lake sitting in North Sumatra. It's called Lake Toba. Hello everyone, my name is Angel and today I will tell you the story behind Lake Toba. Once upon a time in North Sumatra there lived a young man named Toba. One day he went fishing in the lake. He waited for a long time and suddenly he caught a big fresh golden fish and he took the fish home. When he got home, he was very surprised because the fish could talk. "Please don't eat me," said the golden fish. "Who are you? How could you talk?" Toba asked confused. "I am the golden fish. Please don't eat me." Okay, I won't eat you." The next day, Toba went working in the field. He working from morning